This is Alagishan from Anand Maths. Chapter 9 Differential Calculus Limits and Continuity. Example 9.1. You are asked to calculate the limiting value of the function modulus of x when x approaches 0. This modulus of x is called as modulus function or absolute value function. The modulus function has its own definition. Modulus of x is equal to x if x is positive, that is x greater than 0. When x greater than 0, when this x greater than 0, modulus of x equal to this x itself. And this modulus of x equal to 0 if x equal to 0. And the modulus of value of modulus of x equal to minus x if x less than 0. When x is negative, this modulus of x equal to minus x. So don't confuse with this negative symbol. Okay, minus x will not represent a negative number, it's a positive number. See here, when x less than 0 means x is a negative number. When x is a negative number, we have to add one more negative symbol with that. Well, while we are adding one more negative symbol with a negative number, what will you get? Again, you will get a positive number. So minus x is always positive. So don't get confused with this minus x. Okay. Now I am going to represent this function in a real line that will be helpful in doing this sum. Okay. See, at x equal to 0, the function value changes. So I am going to represent 0 here in this real line. To the left of 0, that is when x less than 0, when x less than 0, what about the function value? This is minus x. So to the left of 0, the function value is negative x. And to the right of 0, that means when x greater than 0, what about the function value? See here, x. Okay. So keep this in your mind. Now what is the need of these? Yes, come to the definition of limiting value of a function. Limiting value of the function f of x when x approaches x not equal to L. When can you say the limiting value of the function f of x when x approaches x not equal to L? If the function satisfies all these three conditions. Okay. What about the first condition? Left limit exists. What about the second condition? Right limit, this one is right limit, this one is left limit. Left limit exists. What about the third condition? These two right and left limits should be equal to a fixed value L. Only then you can say the limiting value of the given function f of x when x approaches x not equal to this fixed value L. So to calculate the limiting value of a function, we should check all these three conditions. Let us check one by one here. Okay. So limit, first condition, we have to calculate the left limit, 0 minus. X approaches 0 here, so I am approaching 0 from its negative side, modulus of x, this is equal to limit x approaches 0 minus to the left of 0. 0 minus means to the left of 0. To the left of 0, what about the function value? 0 minus means in this side. Okay, 0 minus, this is 0 plus. We are approaching 0. 0 minus means we are approaching 0 from its negative side, from its left. Okay. 0 plus means we are approaching 0 from its right. So to the left of 0, the function value is minus x. So modulus of x equal to minus x to the left of 0. This is equal to. Since minus x is a polynomial, the limiting value of a polynomial can be calculated by directly replacing this x by its value 0. What will you get? Minus 0. While you are applying the limit, no need to write this limit x approaches 0 minus. Okay. This is equal to 0. Since this is a real number, definitely this will exist. Keep this as equation number 1. Now come to the right limit. In a similar way, we can find the right limit. Limit x approaches 0 plus modulus of x. This is equal to limit x approaches 0 plus. 0 plus means we are approaching 0 from its right side. We are approaching 0 from its right side. What about the function value in this region? It's x. So I am going to replace this modulus of x by its value in the positive side of 0. Okay. This is equal to. Again, this x is a polynomial. So how can you calculate the limiting value of this function? We can directly replace this x by its value 0. You will get 0. While you are applying the limit, as I said before, no need to write limit x approaches 0 plus. Since 0 is a real number, definitely this will exist. Keep this as equation number 2. Now we got both the left limit and right limit. So come to the third condition. Check whether these two limits are, these two limits are equal or not. Yes, these two limits are equal. That we can write here. Here, limit x approaches 0 minus modulus of x. This is equal to limit x approaches 0 plus modulus of x, and this equal to the same value L. Now this is our L. Okay, the definition. This is our L. Okay. Now see here, what is the definition? If the left limit and right limit are equal, moreover they are equal to a definite value L, then the limit value of the given function when x approaches the same value x naught equal to this fixed value L. So here, how can you conclude? Therefore, limit x approaches 0, modulus of x equal to this L, that is 0. So this is the answer for this sum. Okay, thank you.